How to check American Express credit card statements. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Accessing your statements online has never been easier than this. You have the option to view your statements online at your convenience by logging into your online account. Simply select the Statements and Activity from the menu and then click on All PDF Statements in the drop-down menu. And additionally, you can also enhance your experience by downloading the Amex app, where you can effortlessly monitor your recent transactions and statements within the Statements tab. And if you prefer traditional paper statements, don't worry. For every month, you can use your card and have enrolled into your paper statements, and you will receive a paper statement delivered right into your doorstep. So join the movement towards sustainability by opting for paperless statements. And to make the switch, click on the provided link on the official website of American Express. Navigate to the account management after you have logged in, and then alerts and preferences, and select the manage statement delivery options to customize your paper settings. And don't forget, if you're using an Amex app, you can go to the account tab and choose paperless. Therefore, you can access your statements online through your statements on paper, or just simply going through paperless process. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.